Modi ji's government is the only government in which 6 years are devoted to farmers. What was the real demand of farmers all these 40 years? The real demand was remunerative prices. There was an issue of how to decide remunerative prices. M.S. Swaminathan gave the answer, cost plus 50%. He submitted his report in 6, but the DMK Congress combined in UPA did not accept his recommendations for 8 long years. Modi ji accepted it. And so MSP has risen phenomenally. Till today, the farmers, if you take their income in last 4-5 years, it has already doubled where MSP is given. We have made very clear that MSP will stay, APMCs will stay, but at the same time, farmers must have a right. They were demanding for 40 years that we must have the freedom to sell anybody who gives more price. So it should be the right of the farmers. That is what we are giving. Kisan Samman Yojana. Today, within 2 hours, with the help of technology, at a click of button, 9 crore farmers have received 2,000 each in their bank account. And see once, Congress had given once, as UPA, DMK and Congress, gave only once loan waiver. What was the total bill? 53,000 only. And what we are planning to give for 10 years is 77 lakh crore rupees. Already with today's 18,000 crore, we have given 1,20,000 crore rupees. It's huge. Fasal Bima Yojana. 6 crore farmers have received compensation, much more than their premium. This is a reality. This is happening on ground. And more importantly, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, irrigation, particularly drip irrigation, it is making a lot of change. Simultaneously, soil health card. Every farmer now knows what are the peculiarities of his farm. And that, according to the farm's status, he can apply fertilizers and pesticides. Organic farming is rising, dairy is rising. We are number 1 in dairy products. Our fisheries is rising. We are the second largest exporter of fisheries. It is also rising the honey collection from the bees. So poultry also. So all these taken together, farmer is getting more income now and is very sure that by 2022 he will have double the income. So this is what is the background on which we made these basic reforms as per the demands of farmers, and after the discussion for 20 years. First discussion started during Atal Bihari Vajpayee's regime, then continued during UPA regime, and then we came up with the only issue or question which I want to raise is, when Sharad Pawar sends the letters to chief ministers that model laws of APMC should be implemented and adopted, that is good. But the same model law, if we promulgate as ordinance in the first place and bill as the second place, for all India, it is bad. MSP they didn't give, it is good. And MSP we are giving, that is bad. So, this is hoax. opposition is bankrupt.
So either it be a CAA, NRC or farm laws, when the government say it's a historic decision, but it is very strongly opposed by people of farmers, why is the government not talking to the people of farmers before passing the laws?
Already, no, that is what I said. The discussion is on for last 20 years, not today. UP also conducted discussion on the same laws, on the same laws, on the same drafts. We have not innovated some new things. We have carried forward the UPA law which was given as a model law. So, we have not, an Essential Commodities Act, everybody said that scrap it because it unnecessarily puts farmers into disadvantage. So, we have not invented something new from the moon. We have taken that logically forward, the discussion which is taking place for last 20 years with the farmers. No, farmers, all these standing committees, till today, the UPA has talked to all the states, they talked to all farmers, and we also spoke at various forums. And already Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government, there was Guru Committee that also spoke to all farmer organizations.
Sir, Apurva from Republic. I have two questions for you. The first one regarding the farm bills out here in Tamil Nadu. You have seen how, the farmers, you have been interacting with farmers today as well. What kind of, what is the general scene that you are able to get from the farmers out here? Because several opposition leaders are
I'll tell you, unfortunately, the misguiding campaign was successful to an extent in Punjab only. There is no agitation anywhere else in the country. But yes, Punjab farmers, they have some misgivings. We are ready to talk to them. We have already had 6 rounds of discussion, and today Prime Minister has also invited the farmers and organizations for talks further.
Sir, another question to you. We are talking about the NDA alliance out here in Tamil Nadu in politics, especially with the upcoming elections. If the NDA alliance, that is AIDMK and BJP, wins, will the BJP accept Tamil Nadu Edappadi Palaniswamy as the Chief Minister?
See, the same question, the same answer.
Sir, obviously in Tamil Nadu AIDMK is in upper hand, you are depending on them. So, whether you have any role or time to play?
See, in coalition, when coalition happens anywhere in the world, 1 minute, anywhere in the world, if coalition happens, everybody is complementing each other and everybody depends also on each other.
Sir.
A party leader says if BJP didn't accept the Edappadi as CM, we don't need to be an arranged party.
Chalo, next.
Sir, nowadays, few actors and political parties talk about MG Ramachandran. Your party also now speak about MGR. Last 32 years, BJP has not speak about it.
But this year...
This year only state president...
No. See, every year, MGR, and for that matter, all the greats of Tamil Nadu are always remembered on their birth or death anniversary. But more importantly, this time you have noticed.
No, sir. Sir, there have been multiple.
Who? See, I will not go into diversions unnecessarily. I have given you very good copy.
So you're talking about the farm laws and the merits of it. But it is not just the Punjab farmers who've been misguided. In the state of Tamil Nadu, in districts like Tanjavur, Trichy, there have been multiple attempts by farmers to try and come to Delhi, but they have been stopped multiple times. Ayya Kanne, who had protested in Jantar Mantar, has been trying to do the same thing right now also.
Today, Prime Minister held discussion at 20,000 points, and people have seen, farmers have seen in their homes also. He has straight talked to 5 crore farmers. So what we are expecting, and he has given open invitation to all those who want to solve the problem.
Sir, in the Akshay,
Last question.
Yeah, sir, in the previous assembly elections, the BJP won a vote share of 2.8% in Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
It marginally increased it to about 3.6 in the parliamentary elections.
Yeah.
So when you say a stellar performance ahead of the 2021 elections,
See, in
how would you
Bengal,
quantify
I'll
it?
tell you. In Bengal, in last assembly elections, we got 10% vote. And this Lok Sabha, we got 40% vote. So things happen. That is the Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir. So it will be in Telangana. We got 7% in last assembly election. In Hyderabad corporation also we got very less percentage of vote. This time it's tremendous. So politics changes on the basis of credibility of the leadership.
So the,
Thank you.
So the AIADMK has
I am
announced.
coming and we'll discuss
So
further.
just last question, sir. The AIADMK has accepted that they are in alliance with the BJP. Does the BJP also say that AIADMK is their alliance partner? Because the state BJP has been saying the High Command will make the decision. So are you to say that BJP is in alliance with the AIADMK?
See, that is the methodology what our state leaders have said, that is correct.